Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and I am Jasleen Teet. Today we are talking about 4 rules that can make your hair healthy and strong. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go for it. Go like, share and subscribe to my channel. So how do we know that does our hair look healthy or not? So there's a simple trick to know that. Just take any hair stand and look at that very carefully, that does it look dry or do it have split ends or it do not have shine. This means your hair is not healthy. Your hair is losing its own spark. After observing your hair strand, now you're able to know that is your hair healthy or not. If it is not, then these are the 4 simple tips. Before that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more informative videos just like this one. So let's get into it. Rule number 1 is using a sulfate and paraben free products or paraben free shampoos. Now what does sulfates and paraben do? Sulfates and parabens are responsible for stripping off all the natural oils from your hair. So if your hair looks dry and it do not have shine, then this is the mistake that you have been doing, that you are using sulfate and paraben shampoo. Sulfates and paraben shampoo can have adverse effect on your hairs and they are the reason your hair are getting damaged and dull. Though sulfates and paraben shampoo are excellent in removing dirt from your hair, they also remove the natural oils of your hair and this results in getting your hair dry. So it's better to use products or shampoos or conditioner that do not have sulfates and paraben in it, and I am listing some of them in. Also, I am putting some links in the description box for buying these shampoos and conditioner. If you wish so, you can buy from there and make your hair healthy. Rule number 2 is maintaining your hair health. Also an important step while you hair care, that is maintaining your hair health. Now how can we maintain our hair health? Just like maintaining our mental health, just like maintaining for our skin, we have to maintain for our hair too. So maintaining hair health includes using a hair mask. Now you can use any hair mask, you can use any DIYs or you can buy some hair mask from the market. Using a hair mask retains natural shine to your hair and also improves your hair elasticity. So some effective hair masks I am linking in the description box, you can check. All the products that I have been using or are best for your hair, I'll be linking in the description box. So please check the description box if you want to get proper products for your hair. Number 3 is maintaining hair hygiene. I know we all are lazy to pay attention to this fact that hair hygiene matters too. So tell me a thing, when is the last time you washed your comb or your hair brushes? You don't remember, right? This is the mistake that we are making in a day-to-day life, that we do not maintain hair hygiene. Maintaining hair hygiene is also important because every time we wash our hair, we use the same brush that we are using before hair wash. So the difference that we made after washing our hair becomes zero. So if you want to improve the results or if you want to make your hair healthy, then wash your hair brushes too. Yes, it is important to wash the hair brushes or comb because it contains all the dirt and bacteria that we have in our hair. Also, the benefit of maintaining hair hygiene is that we do not get bacteria related problems to our hair, like we don't get dandruff and all the stuff that are caused due to bacteria. And so the next is sleeping on damp hair. I know we all feel so fresh after washing our hair that every time we wash our hair we feel like sleeping for an hour or resting for some time. And every time we are washing our hair and sleeping on damp hair is the reason our hair are making much frizzier. And frizziness is the thing that we all face. Our hair feels so much frizzy after washing that it bounces like here and here. So if you want your hair to be less frizzier, so never sleep on damp hair because all the natural oils get absorbed to your pillowcases. Not using heating tools to dry your hair makes a major difference to your hair because heat damages your hair too. So take care of your hair. So these were basic 4 rules that can make your hair so much healthier and strong. And this is my hair. I have straightened my hair 2 times, colored my hair, highlighted my hair, and everything that is possible to your hair, and I have done that. All the steps I have told you is I am following in my day-to-day life, and this has helped me to maintain my hair a lot. Also, let me know in the comment section about your queries and recommendation about the videos, and let me know in the comment section what you feel about this video and how you maintain your hair health.